$1 million. That's what it costs to sit inside what many are calling the most dominant luxury SUV ever built. No apologies, no compromises, just pure unapologetic excess engineered to perfection. This is the 2026 Mansory Rolls-Royce Cullinan Series 2, and once you understand what Mansory has done to this machine, you'll never look at any other SUV the same way again. Let's start with what hits you first, the way it looks standing still, because this thing doesn't just arrive somewhere, it announces itself. Mansory has thrown out the Cullinan's original body and replaced it with a full carbon fiber widebody kit that completely reimagines everything Rolls-Royce built. Wider, more aggressive, more dramatic. The front apron features enlarged air inlets that mean serious business, and that iconic radiator grille. It's now illuminated from the inside, glowing like a beacon of controlled power. The carbon fiber bonnet is lightweight yet menacing, and the extended daytime running lights mirror perfectly toward the center, giving the front end a symmetrical, almost predatory stare. You'll notice immediately this is not a modified car. This is a transformation. But here's where it gets interesting. Roll to the side and those 24-inch forged Mansory one-piece alloy wheels fill the arches of that wide-body kit like they were sculpted together from the start and underneath. A high-performance sports exhaust system with flap control, and you can spec it two ways. Either a centrally mounted twin hexagonal tailpipe setup or a 4-pipe configuration with side exits that sound like something from another dimension. Either way, the soundtrack matches the visual statement: loud, commanding, unmistakable. Now open the door and the world changes entirely. Mansory has recovered every surface you can touch in the highest quality leather money can reach. Quilted seating panels sit alongside high-gloss polished paint surfaces and carbon fiber accents throughout the cabin. The Mansory lettering is embroidered directly into the seats and floor mats. Illuminations glow through the roofliner and door panels, and the shooting star headliner, thousands of hand-placed fiber optic lights, turns the ceiling into a private galaxy above your head. In the rear, a theater configuration, monogrammed seats, a picnic table, and a comfort entry system make this feel less like an SUV interior and more like a first-class cabin that moves. It looks like serenity, but that's not even the best part. Under that lightweight carbon fiber bonnet lives a 6.75-liter twin-turbocharged V12 that Mansory has had its way with. Through the Mansory Powerbox, a modified engine management system, the output climbs from the stock 600 horsepower all the way to 720 horsepower. Torque. A staggering 1,050 Newton-meters, up from the factory's already impressive 900. Pair that with a ZF8 speed automatic transmission feeding power to all four wheels, and this 2.5-ton luxury fortress will hit 100 kilometers per hour in just 4.8 seconds. Think about that for a moment. Something this large, this opulent, this heavy gone in under 5 seconds. Top speed is electronically capped at 250 kilometers per hour, but honestly, this car doesn't need to chase top speed records to prove a point. Its point is already made the moment you press the throttle and feel that mountain of torque push you back into your quilted leather throne. And on the road? The contradiction is part of the magic. It looks aggressive but drives with an almost supernatural smoothness. The Rolls-Royce Air Suspension Foundation is still there beneath all of Mansory's upgrades, absorbing road imperfections with the same effortless grace the Cullinan was born with. Imagine sitting in a leather-wrapped cocoon, nearly silent inside while 720 horsepower waits patiently beneath your right foot. That contrast raw performance dressed in absolute comfort is what separates this from every other performance SUV on the planet. Now the competitors: the Bentley Bentayga Speed, the Lamborghini Urus Performante, the Ferrari Purisang, all extraordinary machines. But none of them offer what Mansory delivers here: the Rolls-Royce refinement and prestige as the foundation, then completely rebuilt with bespoke carbon bodywork, upgraded power, and a level of interior personalization that makes every other luxury SUV feel like it rolled off a production line, because in comparison, it kind of did. There is no standard build here. Every Mansory Cullinan Series 2 conversion is bespoke. Prices start at $899,999, with specific configurations crossing into seven-figure territory depending on the materials, specifications, and rarity of your build. And no, that doesn't include fuel costs. This is a V12, it drinks premium and it enjoys doing so. Practicality? The Cullinan's generous proportions remain intact. This is still a full-size luxury SUV capable of carrying for adults in extraordinary comfort, with luggage space and daily usability that most performance vehicles simply can't offer. You could school run in this thing, you could cross continents in it, and everywhere you stop, the Same thing happens, people stare. This is what happens when the world's most prestigious SUV meets the world's most audacious tuner. The result isn't just a car, it's a philosophy, one that says excellence is not enough. Excellence is only the beginning. The 2026 Mansory Rolls-Royce Cullinan Series 2 doesn't ask for attention, it commands it. And once you've experienced what's beneath that carbon bonnet, behind those illuminated grille slats, inside that hand-stitched universe of leather and light, you'll understand why $1 million for some people is simply the starting point. Next week, we're looking at a machine that costs half the price and might just outperform this in ways nobody expected. You won't see it coming, and neither will the Cullinan.